I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to change your plan on Koodo Canada Online, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the plans section. Once logged in, find the plans section in your account dashboard. This is where you can view your current plan and available options for changes. Step 3. Select Change Plan. In the plans section, look for the option that says Change Plan or Upgrade/Downgrade. Click on it to see the available plans you can switch to. Step 4. Review available plans. Browse through the list of available plans. Each plan will have details about data limits, pricing, and features. Make sure to compare them to find the best fit for your needs. Step 5. Confirm your selection. After selecting a new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your choice. Double-check any additional fees or changes in billing cycles before finalizing. Remember, if you're switching from a plan with a promotional rate, you might lose that discount, so keep an eye on the pricing. Happy plan changing!